So the pigeon stretch is a really good stretch. They do it a lot in yoga, and depending on where you actually put your back, it'll change the stretch to be in different areas. So I have my leg, if I can, I want to get it as close to 90, but that can put a bit of pressure through the knee. So to take the pressure off that, you can bring it a little bit closer. And then my back leg goes back, and then I'm just gonna roll so my foot's down. So see how my foot's down like that. So what that does is it stretches out my glutes here. And if I want to make that glute stretch more, I can either bring my knee more to 90, sorry, just like that. Once again, if you've got a sore knee, you don't need to do it. Or I can walk my hands forward and lay down flat like that. And that's really stretching all the way through there. Hold for 30 to 90 seconds and do, up to 5 minutes. Try and make at least 5 minutes a week and you should start to see some improvements. But let's say I've got a tight hip flexor. I can then walk my hands up like this. And if you have a look, that's getting a nice stretch through my hip flexors through there. I might need to shuffle my weight around and change how I'm kind of sitting. Just to kind of get the right part that I want to relax. But once again, hold for 30 to 90 seconds and should feel pretty good.